absolute deviation. So mean absolute deviation is how far the data points are from the mean. It tells you how close to data this or how close the data is, if there's any real big outliers, anything like that. So mean absolute deviation, the very first thing I have to do is find the mean. So for this data set, to find the mean, I add all the numbers up and then I divide by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Add them all up, divide by 10, I get the mean is 80.9. Now, the next thing I need to do is take every data point and subtract the mean. So I'm going to do 63 minus 80.9, 67 minus 80.9, 75 minus 80.9, 77 minus 80.9, 81 minus 80.9, 82 minus 80.9, 84 minus 80.9, 86 minus 80.9, 94 minus 80.9, and 100 minus 80.9. So now I'm going to take all of the numbers that I got when I subtracted and make them all positive. So my negative here is going to become positive 17.9. The absolute value, you're making it positive. The negative 13 becomes positive 13, positive 5.9, positive 3.9. Then I'm going to add all of those numbers up and divide by 10 again because I want the mean of all the differences from the mean. So I add them all up. I get 83.2. Divide that by 10. The mean absolute deviation is 8.32. Now, that's a relatively high mean absolute deviation, so that means high variance and low consistency. It means these numbers are not very close together. They're a little bit further apart than some. Now, the mean absolute deviations that are great in low variance and high consistency are like 1 or 2. They're really, really close together, and it will be very obvious. Thank you.